Toyota Yaris, broken glass. Now we will replace it. This is quite easy job. Now we have to remove this plastic trim. For this job I use this tool covered with masking tape because I have missing my plastic trim tool. Let's try to do it, but we have to be careful because here is a big clip. It's very easy to damage it. That's why we have to start with this and very careful lift it up. Oh, it's already broken. Looks like someone touched it before and break this clip. This clip broken. I will try to glue it again, but I don't think it will hold after. But this trim still holding. There's a lot of things. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's enough. That's it, no more screws, just 3 screws. After trim panel we can remove. Green down underneath, white in the top. Next step, we have to remove this insulation. Here is a sticky bond. You can use a heating gun or knife. Don't forget to remove all broken glass inside before fitting new. Okay, now I can see 10mm bolt here. We have to unscrew it and clean more. glasses and fit another one. Whew, there is another glass, second hand one. Let's try to fit it. Here is a special holders. Okay, glass now in a place on these rails, plastic rails. Now we have to fit on the metal bracket. Now a little bit lubricated these rails for moving smoothly inside. That's it. And try to move it. One more thing before fitting, don't tie these bolts straight away after fitting new glass. A little bit loose, just a little bit, and when you move the windows back, up down, it little bit self-adjusted this bolt. See, after moving maybe five times, you can tie these bolts and everything will be fine.